Good morning, I am Anand from Johnson Grammar School, and this is my group. He's Akash. He's Abiru. He's Rahul. And our the cause of our main project is that 5,000 rupees is not worth a human life. That's why we started this project. So Abirup is going to say you how we made this flight.
Now as you can see, this flight is a big one. So to make this, the three types of materials are used. Some of these, the main frame of the body is made out of wooden sticks, as you can see, and they are just covered with tapes for it to look attractive. And the wings out here, they are actually they need to create a very nice lift. So they are made out of Depron, or what you even call as biofoam. Now this biofoam is shaped into the shape of an airfoil, and so it gets a nice lift. And here the elevators and the rudder are made out of corrugated plastic. The corrugated plastic is easily available in any of the markets, even in Hyderabad, so we can get it very easily. So, and the best adhesive which can be used for sticking all these things together can be Idolite, or what we call it as epoxy. Epoxy is the best to stick everything together, and you get the body ready just in one day. Because Idolite takes only one day, somewhat like that, to stick up and become totally hard. And now I am going to talk about the electronics here. Electronics, the propeller here is used is 8x6. The 8x6 propeller used here, and it runs with the help of a 1500 kV motor, and which uses up 25 amps. So the suitable ESC what you would be needing with this motor would be of 30 amps or more, but the minimum what is required is of 25 amps. And now I'm going to show you underneath actually all the electronic systems are mounted underneath the wing area, so that it doesn't produce such a big drag. Here the ESC is connected to the motor with the help of gold connectors, which are insulated, and they are insulated so that they don't produce a short circuit out here. And from this ESC there's one red and one black wire coming out, which goes to the LiPo pack, which is used. The LiPo means it's a lithium polymers cell. It is a 3-cell LiPo pack, and it gives an output of nearly 12 volts, and it is of 1300 mAh, which can run continuously for 45 minutes. And this red and the black wire, these are connected to the ESC. So as this LiPo pack is connected to the ESC, and even this ESC has an inbuilt BEC, so this helps the power to be distributed to all the servos and even the transmitter itself equally. So there is no need of external battery out here for the transmitter. Now as you can see, the three servos are used here. This servo used here is for the elevator, and it's connected to the elevator with a servo rod. And even these two, they work in they coordinate each other and do the upper and lower movements. And here, now talking about the landing gear. Here, the basic landing gear is made out of the carom wheel, but this landing gear provides an extra suspension when it hits the ground with a greater force, or during any emergency cases this helps. And this foam boards what are put here under the elevators, that can, as there is no wheels out in the back, so it prevents the elevators from getting scratched when it's going to take off. And now we'll be showing you how this whole circuit works. And as you can see, this most of us we know that it's a wireless camera, and it works with an extra battery of 9 volts. So now we are going to show how it works. So you first have to connect the LiPo to the ESC. And then this on now.
We are connecting the LiPo to the ESC. So LiPo LiPo gives the charge in volts. So when we are giving it in volts, the ESC converts it into the amps and gives it to the motor. So the motor uses it in amps and produces the force.
And now we are going to show how everything works. Just this is the remote, whatever you want to use. Just on this, and as according to the setting, just move the stick, and you have the throttle stick out here. Before showing the throttle stick, I would like to show you the working of the servos. The servos here, once you on this, the elevators work. Here are the elevators. They're down. You move it up, it goes up. If you move it down, it goes up. If you move it up, it goes down. The setting is like that. As even if you see in a practical plane, always the joystick is moved back for raising the plane up, and always it's moved front to bring it down. And as we know the principles, it works on based on that. So here is the elevator, and if you want the aileron,
Make it 1 second.
it moves like this, up down with the help of the servo rod. And once we on this switch, even the ailerons start working. They move it alternate. If you have to move to the right, the aileron raises in the upper side, and the plane rolls on the right side, and it goes and this raises is just like that. And if we just off this switch, only the ailerons work, and if we on only this switch, only the elevators work, and if we on both, they work in coordination with everything. And now there's no need to off it, and now I would be showing how the motor works with the propeller. And as we increase the throttle here, you can see the propeller moves at very fast speed, and this is only half of the throttle which I have put. So this is how the propeller works. And just you have to off the switches, and the motors and everything is done. And